Kara, I am painting my laundry room. Look, here's my organizer for hats and gloves. So I did this corner yesterday. I just have like a little tiny brush and my old paint that's over like 7 years old. And I'm just trying to use it up. Hey, look, it's 24 degrees. I'll show you. Can you see it? Wait, my giant head. It's 24 degrees. I just wanted to give a shout out to my friend Laura from Ireland. She's a great gal and a really cool organizer, and I will leave her link in the description. And she is painting her house as well, but she's hiring people to do it, like everybody should. But this is a great project. I think I'll get it done, I don't know, by the end of January, hopefully. If I work on it every afternoon, you can see where I've done around this little coat rack with my little brush there. Anyway, go check out Lara. And at the end of her videos, she always says, "Girly, Sloan." I don't know what she says, but it's really cute. Okay, see you later. Bye.